Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will try to do a reverse flower dip. And I have iridescent Pebeo silver for the background. And for the lacing effects, I mixed Vallejo Pearl medium with the velvet. These little piggy pigments. I like how this creates kind of iridescent shimmer. This velvet is just amazing, and it's empty, as you can see. And for the colors, I will use Amsterdam Permanent red violet, and this is the consistency of my paints. And Vallejo, Amsterdam Permanent blue violet, and Windsor Newton Pale violet. So, and I will start with a little bit of this velvet first. I think last time that I used Vallejo and piggy pigments, I just did black and this mixture, but today I want to use some other colors to see what will happen. So, velvet and red violet. And velvet again. And blue violet. Wow, this one is a little thick. Didn't check it before I start, so I'll just add a little water for the next row. And you probably can hear some noises because we are working on our porch. That's why I will not have live stream this Saturday, because I will probably have to clean quite a lot after they will left. And pale violet. Color is so beautiful, I like it. And again, sometimes I think that I pour more to one side. That's why I'm trying to I'm turning my canvas while I'm doing this, to have it more evenly layered, because you know it's important for this technique how you layer your paints before the napkin, because I will use the napkin. It's a reverse flower dip, obviously. Didn't want to have this there. Hopefully it will be okay. And velvet again. And I think that today I will not turn my cup. I will just go in one. So I will do another row. And maybe Then I will just add all three colors without pearl in between to have more solid center maybe. But paint already flow under the cup, so I already have some paint in the middle anyway. Okay. Velvet again. And pale violet again. Let's do that. I will go with velvet. And then red violet. And blue violet. Oops. And pale violet. This will be it. If I will think that it's not big enough, I can always spin it out. I will grab my skewer now to draw some petal lines. And I need a napkin, a towel. I'm a little scared that this will not lace at all, but we will see. Okay, and lift my cup. So just go towards the middle here. Okay. I like how it looks right now. So let me spray my paper napkin with water a little bit to soften it down. Okay, put this down in the middle, and the second half of my napkin, and I did manage to get some air pocket there, but with napkins it's easier because you can get them out easier, like with the plastic. That's why I love to use napkins, not plastic, but you can. Ooh, and a lot of paint from my sides I pulled off, but I can add it later. Let me grab this and slowly up. I did it terrible job again with lifting part. So not a lot of lacing, so we will just pour some silver around here and torch it. And then I will give it a little tiny spin just to maybe get a little more of the effects. Or maybe not, because it is kind of cute. Because quite some lacing popping up. I'm just afraid that these lines of iridescent silver will stay while drying. Maybe it's not bad, but because when you use iridescent paint for your background, you know those lines that you see from a palette knife, they stay. I wish that you could tell me, what do you think? Should I spin it out a little bit or not? But I really like the colors, and I like the middle here where is a little more color, so maybe I will just, let's try one baby spin. Okay, I will leave it, and we will see how this iridescent silver will dry. But the flower is just so beautiful. I like this little lacing and the lines on the outside. So I wish that there wouldn't be this fellow here. I will just try to I will not say, you know what, you know, those who watch me more, you know that I don't like these main parts in the middle. Okay, here is a close-up. I love those colors together. They are just amazing. I will try to show you those little cells on the outside of the flower. They're just so beautiful. See? Gorgeous. And I hope that this velvet will give a little iridescent look to them. I definitely want to play more with these pigments because they are gorgeous. And I'm happy that I can work with them, because if you know me, you know that I want to play with pigments more, but I didn't have much luck with color art pigments and my pouring medium. But this little piggy works. These little piggy pigments work amazing with my pouring medium, so yay! Happy, happy, happy. Tell me what you think about it. And have a nice Saturday. And see you on the next one. Bye.